This is a serious issue that needs to be addressed. So, I was taking a walk a few days ago and I saw these two girls who are barely in the 6th or 7th grade. They're just walking, and I hear one of them sing to the other, and I quote, "Oh, she thinks that he is the love of her life, and they're dating, and I can't really believe they're dating. I think she's using him." And then the other one goes, "Oh, I think this certain person's name, Shirel," and she's like, "I think he is the love of my life, vagara vagara." And I was like, these kids are in the 6th grade, and they definitely should not be worried about meeting the love of their lives right now. They're literally in the 6th grade. And I'm not gonna lie, I did find this entire situation a bit funny. But the point is, this generation, our generation, is obsessed with love. Every kid, the moment they gain the capacity to think for themselves, the first thing that they truly deeply want is a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Like, seriously. I don't know whether it was the Bollywood industry or childhood experiences or peer pressure that is making us all feel this way? Or is it our education system that has failed us and hasn't really been able to teach us the essential life skills that we need to learn to cope up with the ups and downs of life? People seem to have this notion that if they end up finding a boyfriend or a girlfriend, then life will finally stop feeling so boring, they will finally stop feeling so empty, life will be full of happiness again, and they would walk off happily off into the sunset. And if you guys feel this, then you forget that this loneliness or unhappiness or emptiness that you feel inside, it's there inside of you. And getting a boyfriend or a girlfriend will definitely not help with that. Sure, you will be happy or wearing those rose-colored glasses for a couple of months, but then that happiness will go away and then you will be back with that empty feeling inside of you. Because it never really went away. It just got masked for a few months because of this interesting adventure going on in your life. I'm Anvesha, by the way, and I'm currently a second year MBBS student and a content creator. And this is my channel called Contemplating Adult, and it's all about self-love, self-improvement. And on this corner of the internet, we are all about living life, feeling happy, living our best life possible, chasing all of our goals, and just being fulfilled and happy and peaceful. So if that's you, consider subscribing. Anyways, the point is, when this generation is so obsessed with finding love, they forget to find themselves or even fall in love with themselves. You need to remember that your partner or your significant other cannot complete you or make you whole because you were never ever broken in the first place anyways. Even the term better half should not exist because you were never a half in the first place. Love is great and it feels amazing, but it cannot complete you. So if you are in your 20s or even in your teens, please do not chase love. If it's meant to come, it will come. Let it come to you. Instead, try and explore the things that you've always wanted to do, or travel and see the world a bit more. But this entire thing doesn't also mean that you run away or show the middle finger to every single person that you meet in your life. No. Be present, stay open, know your boundaries and your standards really, really well, and focus on making life a really, really good experience for you. We do not chase, we simply attract. What is meant for us will come to us in the most perfect way and the most perfect time imaginable. We gotta believe in divine timing. And in the meantime, just focus on yourself. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up or share it with anyone that might find it helpful. And if you feel like this is your kind of a vibe, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.